Back to my latest video, and this is also going to be AI and n8n related. And in this video I'm going to recreate the one of the YouTube video I saw. In that, creator actually used Claude and Firecrawl, which is the AI era web scraping tool. So in that, user input her CV, and the Claude extracted the user's skills from CV and called a Firecrawl MCP service to search jobs matching her profile in whatever area the user was from. Okay, so I'm trying to recreate the same, but with all using the free tools, right? I'm using n8n. The overall orchestrator, and I'm using NVIDIA's New Neutron model, which is free, and I'm using OpenRouter for my LLM aggregator. In that, I'm using NVIDIA Neutron. Okay, and as I said, Firecrawl. Firecrawl will not be available in the base bundle of n8n, but you can search for it and install the Firecrawl. Okay, and let me show you the output. So that you get the idea. So I will get an email like this. In that video also, user generated Excel file, basically Claude generated Excel file. So we are doing Claude kind of thing, but ourselves, right? So let me open and show you the Excel. Okay, so currently you can see only 5 because that is the amount of job search I limited it for. But you get the idea. I will show you those things also. Okay, what happened? Let me open the Gmail. Okay. Okay. So let's open the mail. Download it. Okay. Let's download this. Okay, and you can see we got 5 job recommendations, right? So basically, it did search for us, and that's it. Let me close it because my CPU is getting hot, and it will trigger the shutdown. Okay, so let me quickly go to the flow if I can. Okay, so let me run it for you so that you get the idea. Okay, so created a small UI. So that asks for your PDF. Once you provide the input, this extract from file node will extract the text from your PDF containing your CV, and then in AI agent where the actual magic happens, where we are providing instruction to our AI to do what. Okay, so we are asking AI agent to extract text and only extract key skills, not more than 4, and make sure append job search in India. And we are giving the example how to construct the Firecrawl post body, and we are saying that do not modify anything. The output coming from Firecrawl, and in Firecrawl we can let me stop this. In Firecrawl, I'm using search operation, okay, for this because we are basically doing web search, and you can see the same here also in the AI agent, okay. You can see the same in the AI agent, and here you can increase the limit. Okay, for this demo, I kept the limit to just 5. Okay, but you get the idea. Using these free tools, we are able to automate job search without having spent much on very costly tool like Claude and all, right? So free LLM subscription and free Firecrawl plan, we are able to deliver similar kind of output. Okay. All right. You might have liked it. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. Please do leave comments, and your comment encourages to come up with more such video. Okay. All right. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.